Alright, so if we have a 45-degree angle measure, or an angle measure of pi over 4 in standard position, and we've drawn a unit circle with that angle measure. Alright, somewhere right here, right about right here, the terminal side intersects the unit circle. If we can figure out this point right here on the unit circle, what that is in terms of x and y, like an ordered pair, then we can evaluate the 6 trig functions at pi over 4 or 45 degrees. Alright, so there are a couple of ways to figure out this point right here. The way that that text usually show is like this. Alright, imagine this line right here that's halfway between the x-axis and y-axis. If it was extended and it was a line, this line's equation is y equals x. Okay, and so if we use the fact that y equals x and the equation for the unit circle, remember that was x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and it actually wasn't r squared. For a unit circle, it was what? What's the radius of the unit circle? 1. So this equation right here, x squared plus y squared equals 1, is the equation of the unit circle. This red line right here, this is the terminal side of your 45-degree or pi over 4 angle measure. So if we use the fact that y equals x, then I could make this equation here x squared plus x squared equals 1. Because if y is equal to x, then y squared is equal to x squared. And so if I take this equation and I solve for x, we get x squared equals 1/2. Take the square root of both sides. So x equals, alright, square root of 1 over the square root of 2 is 1 over the square root of 2. And then if we rationalize, I can already hear people saying the answer, we get square root of 2 over 2.